But one of the smallest little hacks that I've seen people do is they've changed. Hey gang, it's Jerry McManus from Keller Williams. In today's video, we want to go over a number of cosmetic upgrades that will really help you in the sale of your home. Number one, I know this is a big thing about having updated kitchens, but one of the smallest little hacks that I've seen people do is they've changed their handles and their hinges. Just think about that. In the hardware that's in your kitchen, if you go out and you change them and say you go from what was maybe brass to now a brushed nickel, what that does is that you've just updated your kitchen. Not necessarily upgraded, but now when they look at it, they don't think it's as old as it is. Another one of the things that I've seen what people do, and this is on the outside, is your deck. If you have a wood deck, what I want you to do before you go to sell your house is inspect the deck. And there's a couple of things I want you to check. Number one, are all the decking boards firm? That's extremely important because what you have with wood over time, you can get wood rot, and then you can get actually termite infestation. And the other thing that I've seen with people are the deck railings. Make sure they're all secure. Number one, a home inspector is going to cite it. Number two, so could your certificate of occupancy. The person that's from the township that comes out that does a certificate of occupancy on your house, they may flag that. Number three, this is actually a really simple but exciting thing that you can do, is power washing. The concrete around your house, your driveway, even the vinyl siding and the fence. It gets that green, people call it mold, it's not mold, but that green like algae, I don't want to call it algae either, I'm not really sure what it is, but that green that grows on the house because the sunlight isn't directly hitting it. So you'll wind up getting that and it looks kind of unseemly, but you go in there, you power wash, the whole house looks brand new again, and that's what you want to do. You want to be able to see that. And number four, this is one of those pet peeves I have in this business, is that imagine this, you got this really nice house, and then you have grass growing between the asphalt in the street and your curb, and it looks like whodunit and ran. Gang, please get the grass out of there and then start looking around. You don't want to have to mow your driveway. Plain and simple. So go along and just pull out those grass blades that are coming up all over the place. Those are the tips for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again and hope to see you on the next video. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This way we can stay connected. Here's my contact information should you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.